Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Robin. The habit of mindfulness meditation is an exercise for disciplining the mind and bringing calmness and serenity. There's no wrong way to start the habit, and there are many benefits. If you have headphones and are in a safe place, it can greatly improve the experience. Now, sit upright and relaxed. Rest your hands on your lap. Let your eyelids relax and droop to the point of nearly being closed. Or watch the video if you choose. Feel the breath at the tip of your nose as you breathe in and out. Don't work at it, just be aware of the feeling. There's no need to count your breaths, just feel. This is what you will bring your attention back to throughout the meditation. Today, we're talking about acceptance. Acceptance, as it relates to recovery, arises in many places. Many who identify that they must recover from something will have low self-esteem or a negative opinion of themselves. They may neglect to accept and recognize their positive traits. Others may be unwilling to accept that they must change their addictive behaviors or die. Still others lack patience for things as they are in their lives. Where recovery is concerned, we need to work on accepting and letting go of the painful past and the stories we tell ourselves about it. The idea isn't to forget the past, but to acknowledge it and to learn from it. We accept the past and start from here and now to build the new happy future story that we are living. As we move on with life, we learn patience from acceptance of what is that we may not like. We learn to put down the anger or discomfort or ideas that bother us. Acceptance is not weakness, rather the strength to see what is occurring and learning that we cannot change some of it, but we can learn from all of it. With practice, we may eventually learn to find a positive aspect of any situation. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, share, and meditate. You can help support this effort through my Patreon page, Sitting with Nature. Thank you.